Hello, so today I'll be walking you through how to book an ongoing class with ARTime Barro. So the first thing you can do is go to artimebarro.com, our website, and then click Learn Classes. Scroll all the way down and you see the option for ongoing classes. You can do book class. And then these are the schedules that we currently have for Costa Mesa as well as Laguna Beach. It tells you what we have available for adult as well as kids and teen classes for both locations. And then you can select which one you want to purchase, the adult or the kid and teen class at Costa Mesa or Laguna Beach. So I'll go with this one for this example, and I'll be right back after I've entered my information. Okay, now that my information has been entered, just scroll down, make sure to select billing waiver and pay now and complete order. Then it's going to ask for credit card information, as this is required because it's an ongoing subscription. So I'll be back right after I've entered my information. Okay, now that I've entered my information, I'm presented with my order receipt where I see the certificate code. This is the code that I'll be using to schedule my classes. So click the link next to it that says schedule, and you can tell from up here it says I have 4 remaining classes. So I will select my 4 classes. Here you have 2 options. You can either go one by one, so you can do here and there. So do like 12 p.m. Wednesday, 4 p.m. Monday, for example, and 12 p.m. Friday, 5 p.m. Wednesday. You can do it this way if you prefer random times and dates that work for you, or if you prefer a set schedule, you can select any time and date that you like and then click recurring. You would be, for example, recurring every Wednesday at noon, and be sure to select 4 for times to repeat, as you only have 4 available. And that's what it schedules for you. Click continue, date of birth, complete appointment, and this is our receipt. It tells me the option that I can cancel, reschedule. I can register for an account if I want to come back on the website and make changes. The alternative option is to scan this QR code right here with your phone and camera, and then it will take you to the Acuity scheduling app where you can download it and manage your classes and the ARTime Barro bookings right through the app. It's very easy to set up. Okay, and then the other thing is, once you have that done, you will also get emails with your receipt. Same thing you see here is the certificate code. You can schedule from your email or our website right after booking. Or the other email is if you want to add the calendar as well as confirmation of appointment and then important details about the class and things to keep in mind. You have the option to change or cancel your appointment. And then if you go back to the previous email, you have the option to cancel your subscription. So if you click that, you can cancel right here. You can change your card, and it tells me when my next payment is. So let me just cancel, and that's it to it. That is all to this tutorial. I guess I can also show you right here, if you created your account, you can come back and log in with that same information. But yeah, let us know if you have any questions. Email us info@artimebarro.com. Thank you.